put this one. Hey guys, I am back and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys is we're gonna be unboxing something again guys. As you can see, meron tayong box dito. This box is from Lifease. If you guys wanna check it out, I will leave their website on my description box below. So check out their website guys. The name of the company is Lifease. So pinadalhan nila ako ng box and I'm so excited to open it with you guys. So i-unbox na natin to. What happened to my scissor? Kasi meron akong kinuhang scissor. Bakit wala? Nawala. Never mind. I got it here. So anyway guys, as you can see, meron akong phone dito. So what I'm doing is, I'm using a lapel microphone. Kasi yung camera ko guys is, wala siyang microphone input. Meron akong microphone pero hindi ko siya nagagamit kasi yung camera ko wala siyang mic input. So ito ko na lang i-record yung voice ko kasi nga, feeling ko kasi malayo yung camera ko. So baka hindi nyo marinig kung ano yung mga sinasabi ko. I am using the Power Device microphone. This is from Amazon at binigay din nila to sa akin. Maybe na-notice nila na yung ano bang tawag dito? Yung voice ko hindi clear. So pinadalhan nila ako ng lapel microphone. So ito na guys, ito na yung box na ating bubuksan. As you can see over here, malaki-laki itong box na pinadala nila sa akin. So let's see kung ano yung laman guys. I'm excited. So let's open this. I'm scared. Ililive ko yung link ng website nila sa baba and you guys can check it out. So ito na siya guys. Let's see. Oh, merong ano dito. Oh, they sent me 5 items. Wow, thank you so much, Lifease. Oh my God, let's see what we got here. What? This is cute. This is super cute. It's a pillow. Oh my God. Wow. Cutie pie. I like it. What is this? I think it's a bear. A polar bear, I think. It's super cute, guys. OMG, this is nice. Oh, look at this one. Super soft din niya. As in guys, I think my son gonna love this one. Oh, we have another one. Another one. Oh my God. Let's see. Oh, it's a pig. Super cute. Look at this one. Super cute, guys. Look at it's pink. Look at this. So cute. When I checked their website, they have a small size and big size. So I think this is their small size. I think yung malaki is siguro mga ganyan siya kahaba, yung malaki. So this is the small size. I love this one. Look at them. This is super cute. What's next? What we got here? What is this? Ye Shun? What is inside? Okay, it's a slipper. So fancy kasi nasa bag pa siya. Color light blue. Good for the house. Like inside the house. You can also wear it outside if you want. But I think I'm just gonna wear it inside the house. Let's see kung ano. Kasya ba siya sa akin? Ooh, perfect. What size is this one? 36, 37. Okay, I think this is like 7. So, kasya siya sa akin, guys. Super perfect niya. I like it. What's next? Oh my God, what is this? What? I think this is a blanket. Let's see. Tingnan natin what is this. Oh. Is a comforter or what? Oh, it's a pillowcase. This is a pillowcase, guys. 2 pillowcase over here. I like the design though. I like the color too. And this is like a blanket, I think. A blanket. And it has a zipper. Why it has a zipper? I know what this is, guys. This is, what do you call it? You know, like you can put your comforter inside a duvet. I think this is like a duvet. Kasi meron siyang zipper dito. Here's the zipper over here. As you can see. So I can put the comforter inside of this one. So this is good. Oh, what's next? A tissue box. Perfect. Let me see. Wow, this is nice. Ooh. How do I open this? Ooh, there you go. It's a bamboo. Give you a closer look. So ito siya. It's a tissue box, guys. Ito yung cover niya. Ganyan. Let me see kung kakasya yung tissue natin kasi I have a tissue over here. Like this one over here, this is a tissue. I think kasya siya. I need to clean this one first. Tapos, I will take it out, the tissue from the box. Tapos, dito ko siya ita-transfer sa tissue box natin. Yeah. Ko na yung sticker dito. Okay, so we have the 5 items. Is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's like 5 items, guys. So, we have the sleeper. This is good for the house. I have a tissue box over here. This is really cute. I like the design on this one. I'm gonna put this in the bedroom. We have the comforter set and we have this stuffed animal over here, guys. This is really good. I really like this one. Super cute niya, guys, as in. At super soft din niya. Meron silang mas malaki pa dito. Super cute, guys. So, I would like to say thank you, Lifease, for sending me this stuff over here. I really appreciate it. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys!